From the top, make it drop. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Bro, why are you singing that song? You shall never sing that song again. You understand me?
Yeah.
Hey Veezy fam! It is a farm day and we are here working and we are going to give you guys an update on all of the animals that we got here. There's going to be some good, some bad, some ugly, maybe a tear. We're going to tell you guys what's here, what's not here, what passed away, what disappeared. What do you got in your hand?
Egg.
Oh, there's an egg on your head.
Oh, I hit her foot!
See what happens at the farm, dude? We make eggs. Mama Veezy's going to be so upset. Chickens make eggs and we just throw them at each other. No, that's not for you.
Oh.
Guys, we're gonna start with our newest edition. We went through the names and because it's Anthony's, he wanted to call him Godzilla. So whoever voted for Godzilla, great job. So we're gonna try to feed Godzilla, this guy right here, Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
And he hasn't eaten. We've had him for what, 3-4 days now, and he has not eaten. I think it's because he's new.
I'm holding him here, trying to get him to eat it. He does not want it.
So I don't know, it's been a couple days he hasn't eaten. We're gonna give it maybe a total of a week and then we're gonna see what's going on if something's wrong. I know he's new and in a new house, new environment, so he's kind of scared, doesn't want to eat. So he's a little restless when you first take him out the tank because he was nice and warm and he was cuddling in his bed like this. And then we just like yanked him out of there. Oh, that's a good boy. Look at Godzilla. Hi, Godzilla. Hi, buddy. When we bought all of these, we got 2 Oscars with them, right? Well, those 2 Oscars, a couple weeks ago, they started to get what is known as ick. So ick is like a disease that attaches to fish. It brings like white spots and stuff and they get sick. Immediately after seeing it and their eyes were getting kind of foggy, right when we saw that, we took them out of here, we put them in another tank and started putting a bunch of ick remover and medicines on them. We kept them in there with a bunch of bubblers and filters, and after 2 days, it just kept getting worse, and they ended up unfortunately passing away. This video right here is to let you guys know about all the animals and what's still alive, what's dead, basically just to remain transparent and keep you guys updated with everything. Do you guys remember all the babies that we had? Look at them now. We got, I think 4 or 5. There's one up there. Got about 5 of them left. Look how big they're getting. We got this shrimp right here, and what we like to do is I take 2 of these out of there and we hold it into the fan and then they go bananas.
The baby fish are eating too. And the blue fish.
Look at the babies, how big they got.
Massive.
Hey, I think we're supposed to give one of those to the 2 Florida boys. So 2 Florida boys, if you're watching this, come over and pick one. But you're gonna have to name him Veezy fam. Look at that mouth, looks like Mama Veezy. So an update with these guys. You guys remember we bought 4 from some kind of animal convention here maybe like 7 or 8 months ago. We got 4 of them. When we went to Animal Con, one of them flipped over upside down, and by the time the person that was watching our animals came the next morning, it was too late. Now I thought that turtles and tortoises flipped their friends over like to save them, but the tortoise flipped over and ended up passing away, and I don't know which one was which. Honestly can't remember the names. So we got the 2 redfoots right here. It was like Larry and Franklin and something else. I don't remember which one passed away. However, so we put these guys here, and then we have 1 cherry left.
Boy, this is awesome.
We got 1 cherry left, so the other cherry died, but we keep washing him and cleaning his shell. Look how clean he looks and good. Starting to get a little shed. Look, they let you pet them on the head. They're friendly. They're used to us. Whenever we do these videos, it's like a weight is lifted off my chest because I want to tell everybody what we got and what's going on. So this video is just awesome. I'm glad we could do this for you guys. What are you doing, bro? Why are you relaxing?
Laid back. With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Now we're gonna feed the dogs. Oh, he gets 1 scoop. Prince gets a half a scoop.
Oh my God, you're such a good dog. Wow, he did it today for you guys.
Stay.
Aww. Sit. Stay. Chew it. Remember those little sucker fish that sucked your toes? So they got really big. Like, I'm talking like this big and fat. And I think, I don't know, either they jumped out or birds ate them, or
One back there.
there's a few that hide back there. But I found so many of them out here, like laying on the ground, like this big. And they look like they were kind of bit and cut open. I don't know, maybe Okie ate them, I don't know. Anyway, so here's the koi. Hey, the tank, water, crystal clear. It looks perfect in here. And then over here, it gets a little dirty. So I know they need this dirt, but sometimes once it gets bad in this area, I'll just sweep it up, scoop it out, dump it over there.
I can drink it.
You can drink it? No, I don't want you to drink it though, because we're gonna get some more. Because this pond is so big, we definitely need like, how many more?
1,800 more.
1,800 more, Anthony wants.
Imagine having 18 right there. 1,800 right there. Right there.
All right, let's move on, guys. Paul left us with 6 hogs. 2 of them were always bullied, and they were starting to look skinny. I think you guys even said in your comments that they're looking a little thin. So what we did to try to save all that, we took 2 of them and we put them over here. The 2 that were little. They actually like doubled in size since we did that. But anyway, Alyssa, I know this is your thing. How the heck did that bucket get all the way over there?
I have no idea.
All right, so we're gonna zip tie the buckets here because I don't like them eating off of the ground. You want to try to make it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to make
Just for this video, we're gonna try to make it. So these guys are getting 2.5 scoops now. All right, try to make it in that bucket.
It's like a yeet.
Don't get it in the mud though.
I got it! You got half of it.
And then these guys over here, since we're trying to fatten them up for Christmas dinner. Just kidding. Good morning, guys. Wow. So these guys, look at, they're actually getting so much bigger than they were. It's beautiful. Starting to get a little belly on them. I'm gonna throw this to you. Bro, this is why you play football and not basketball. You guys remember a video we did here where Jax and Xena had a wedding? Well, I apologize to all of you. Xena was a boy. Xena ended up being a boy, and a couple of you guys said it in the comments, so I rushed and had our person come over and check, and it was a boy. So Xena had to go back. We couldn't have 2 boys because we're trying to get babies. All right, let's go feed these guys. Hi, baby. Hey, we're still waiting for 1,000 likes on that one video so we can bring this guy in the house. Look how friendly he is. Go. There you go. Hi, Jax. Nice. We have some crazy stuff after Hurricane Ian in the big pond. Because after Ian, we have so many crazy looking catfish in the pond that we feed every morning. Why are you holding my hand, bro? All right, I guess we're gonna hold hands today.
We're gonna make our dreams come true.
Oh, look right there!
You guys see them?
That's cool.
Bro, that is so crazy. We got a ton of catfish in here. We still got all the tilapia in here. We got peacock bass in here. Oh, and 2 bass we caught on the canal right back there the other day, and we put in here. So we put a bunch of regular, I think, largemouth bass or smallmouth. I don't know the difference, to be honest. Here's an update on the llamas. So when the mama llama died, wow, that rhymed and it sucked. Mama llama? So when mama llama passed away, the baby that she had that was also light brown like her, started getting bullied by these 2, and she wasn't eating at all, and I guess she was sad. So she was sent to a friend's in North Florida who's got a big llama farm with like hundreds of them, and he's got her now. And he said she's doing okay there, she's eating. If I got some pictures, I'll try to put them into this video. If not, just know we got these 2 left, Winston Annie and Linda. Okay, here's a little bit. Here, you could have this, and then I always have to feed the chickens a little bit. They got their own food, but they love the corn and the stuff from the all-stock. So, bow.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow.
Fat Smith Dog, you are the best looking rooster in the entire world, big dog. Look at Fat Smith Dog, how beautiful he is. He's shiny. Do you think he uses gel? Who's climbing me? Oh, that's the girl, Kimmy. Look at Kimmy, how she look at this. Oh, Birdie. Oh. All right, so we got Birdie, who made herself at home. She's having an amazing time here. She gets along with them. Remember how they used to be skittish and they didn't like being patted? Look at them now. Oh, hey, don't headbutt. Here, don't headbutt. You don't have to headbutt. You don't have to headbutt. Oh, you want this? You want it from here? Okay, come on, give me pet you. Oh, yeah, so good. I know Birdie jumps to that, and she'll sit up there, but the rest are too small and they just don't do it.
Jump to there.
Be careful. Oh. So Anthony uses this playground set more than the goats.
Look at your booty cheeks.
What do we got?
Whoa! That's a lot of eggs. That's embarrassing.
Oh, these are hot.
Okay.
Why do you have the smallest shirt of all time on?
Be quiet. Hey, put it in my shirt.
No, you have to stay here.
I have the bigger shirt.
All right, so we got a few eggs here. Bring them inside into the bucket. Let's go check the other side, guys. Jags, I'm filming, bro. What do you want? I gave you food over there. More? No, not right now. You just, no. No. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We got their llama pellets right here. They get a full big scoop of llama pellets right here. Half. And then half of it goes in there. Anthony, run with the camera. Tell them that half goes in there.
The half goes in here.
All the pigs are doing amazing. Somebody said Willow looks skinny. Willow, we just had her checked out by a vet. They said she's like the perfect size. And they did fecals on all of them. They said they're all super healthy. So Willow shares food with her babies. That's why she's not like gigantic like the black one, and she's not the same kind of pig as that. They're getting 4 scoops for all of them, so big scoops, the big scooper. 1. And then 2. But that's actually 1. Yeah, mama. Yes. On the whole farm, what's your favorite animal, Anthony? Out of everything in this whole place.
I said it.
Oh, the rooster?
Yeah.
Out of whole farm. So you like the rooster better than your lizard? Okay. No, you said it, bro. You said it. So we're gonna give him some hay. Sorry, Yoki, but you wanted to be in here, bro. Guys.
You're the new animal.
Guys.
This is your new house. I'm taking your room.
No, wait. My room. You're gonna have to sleep with my like in the same bed.
Okay,
as
bye.
Take it to the fence here, and I kind of just split it. But look at Birdie. She loves hay. She's a hay lover. Hey lover, this is more than a crush. Remember that song by LL Cool J?
No.
Because it was like 10 years before you were born, but I'll play it right here. Tony, turn the water on for me. Run, hurry, ready, set, go. Why does he run like that? There's seriously something wrong with the kid. I mean, maybe it's because he eats pinky mice and animal food. And the water's over there, bro. Anthony? That's something, maybe it's his diet, I don't know. The one good thing about having a farm here in Florida is after you do everything and feed all the animals and clean all the broken eggs and you're sweating, you got an amazing pool, an amazing sun. Ready? 1, 2, 3, get it off! Make sure if you're not subscribed, you go down right now and help us out, support the channel and subscribe and like this video. How about this? 1,000 likes on this video. 1,000 likes in this video and Anthony will poop in the pool. You really will? All right, he said he will. 1,000 likes in, he's gonna drop a deuce in the pool. No.
I got